Project you wish you participated in earlier, and I'm not gonna lie, you're not even late at this point. Now, the magic Newton airdrop. Now, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know to qualify for this particular airdrop. Everything you need to know, because the tasks are not limited to just one. There are so many things you need to do, which includes talking about it on X. So the task for this project is classified into three. Now, the first thing is you have to roll a die every 24 hours and then you get a random point. Now, the second thing is you have to play this game showing on your screen right now, and it's a kind of like, it's called a minshare game, whereby you click on the boxes and there are mines within some of those boxes. The moment you click on the mines, that is the end of the game. So you have to play that game about 3 times. Then at the end of the game, at the end of the 3 rounds, you get a cumulative point. This cumulative point is your point for that day. The next play is about 24 hours later. Okay, now the last and the most important right here is you have to yap about the project, the Magic Newton airdrop project. And yapping about it includes just talking about it by tweeting about it on your X handle, and white tagging them. Yeah, you have to tag the account. The next thing is you comment on most tweets about this project, react to their X tweets, and then you get to earn a share of about 0.75% total supply that is allocated to Yapa alone. So you check the link in the description for your Magic Newton airdrop link and then start participating. Let me know if you're already participating, how many points you've got in. If you find this helpful, this is going to get you your first $1,000. Now you have to watch the next video for the latest project that I'm actually interacting with right now. Make sure you click and watch it right now. So